We have an example of a controlling cycle, eczema, which is a thin, dry skin with red, inflamed, and itchy lesions. The lung is a yin organ, and its yin is over-controlled by the yang. This yang could be coming from excess yang in the fire element. Often, patients with neurodermatitis are restless, may have a high-pitched voice, and talk very fast. They can have problems going to sleep and can have pruritus in bed. This is a heart-yang pattern. As the fire element generates interior heat and sends the excess heat to over-control the lung yin, we need to sedate small intestine 8 and triple Werner 10 in order to bring down the heart yang. We also must balance the lung by tonifying its yin and sedating the yang. It is quite possible that a patient with eczema can have this skin type. Okay, we have here okay, so we have here the illustration of how the fire element controls the metal. Okay, not have any problems with the fire element. If this the case, then it would suffice to balance the lung alone. An excess of yin in a yin organ or yang in a yang organ can flow in 3 ways. First, to its coupled organ, this is of the opposite polarity. Number 2, to its son organ, this is of the same polarity. And number 3, to its grandson organ, also of the opposite polarity. Where it will flow depends more on where there is the greater deficiency. It would stop flowing when all these organs have filled their yin to an equal level. Generally, an excess in an organ seems to affect its coupled organ and the organ it controls in a similar way. Normally, the points taken into consideration in this equation would be lung 7, the Lu connecting point, and sedation of the large intestine 4, the U1 source point. However, in this case, there is an exception. Eczema and allergic asthma are interior-exterior manifestations of the same organ system. The pathogenic factor is in the exterior during skin disease and could move inwards during asthma. A Lu connecting point of a yin organ moves the energy from the outside, which is yang, to the inside, which is yin. If the patient has eczema but no asthma, then a Lu connecting of a yin organ should not be used. It may cure the skin problem, but the patient could not get asthma. Could now get asthma, I mean. In this case now, the lung 8 own element point can be used to tonify yin and Li2 sedation for sedating the yang. So here, the points to tonify the yang of yin organs. We use lung 10, the fire point, small intestine and triple Werner, the kidney 3, the earth point for the stomach, and Li4, the metal point for large intestine, heart 3, the water point for urinary bladder, pericardium 3, the water point for the urinary bladder, and spleen 1, the wood point for gallbladder. For points to tonify the yin of yang organ, we use Li5, the fire point for heart and pericardium, UP40, the earth point for the spleen, GB44, the metal point for the lung, small intestine 2, the water point for the kidney, triple Werner 2, the water point for the kidney, and stomach 43, the wood point for the liver. The main difference in energy flow between the mother-son cycle and controlling cycle are that while in the mother-son cycle, energy flows from yin to yin organ and yang to yang organ, in the controlling cycle, energy flows from yin to yang organ and yang to yin organ. What is similar is that in both cycles, the energy that flows out of a meridian retains its polarity.